going to show you how to change out your spark plugs on a Kia Rio. The first thing I want to do is disconnect the negative terminal. We're going to be working with an electrical system, so just loosen that up. Take the negative off. That way we don't have any issues while we're working. So to take the cover off, there's a place where it's held in here, here, back here, and back here. So we're just going to lift those off. Send it back. We can take the cover off. So what we're going to have to do is take these 4 coil packs here, 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 and here out, and we should be using a 10mm socket to remove that. So just so you know, when you do put them back, just make sure that you remember they go in this order. So see how they're hooked up. So this one is going to kind of be blocked a little bit, so I'm just going to push down on that, pull that out. Just using a breaker bar just to loosen it up. And then you can use your socket the rest of the way out. The breaker bar really helps to loosen them up without using much effort. You can switch back to your socket, get the rest of the way off. So I'm just going to show you what they look like down in there. So your spark plugs are down here, and in order to actually get them out, you need to use the spark plug removal tool. So this one is that 5/8 again, and the other one, you need to have that little piece of rubber in there to actually have it extract the spark plug. That come right out. You can see that is pretty corroded on that tip, so it's about time to have these replaced anyway. So the good thing is, if you pull these out, keep track of which order you pull them out in. They can also give you an indication of if you have an issue with a single cylinder, what that might be. What I was told is the gap on these should be about 0.044 if you use a gapping tool. But being that these are iridium coated, if you have any special coatings, if you go and try to gap these, it'll actually wear away the iridium. So I don't want to gap them because they should be pre-gapped. Just confirm that. Make sure you don't crack the insulator. So I'm just going to put that in there. Then we're going to put these coil packs back in. Now we're going to reinstall the bolts. So just finger tight it first. We're just going to want to tighten those down. Don't over crank these. They weren't hard to get off in the first place. And this is just to hold it in place. It's not, just make sure that it's not going to come loose. Okay, so there's tight. And we just want to reattach this wire. Everything's good. So we're going to want to reattach these. I find it easier to locate the ones in the front, and then the backs will be better. So I'm pushing down on these two. And then the back too. Don't forget to reattach the negative for the battery. Alright, and then we can start the car. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, help me out, give me a like, and any suggestions you have for future videos, just leave them in the comments. Thanks, have a great day.